Thanks for dropping in. This week we're returning to the Twist Lock Trick Box, a container with a hidden 3D printed rack and pinion mechanism. As I've shown in earlier videos, this design is really customizable. You can change how tall or short the box is by switching between different base sizes. You can use different toppers to hint at or further obscure the method to open the box. You can give the box more style using bases with unique designs. And with just a little bit of stretching, you can turn it into a giant pencil that holds other pencils. But is it customizable enough? No matter how you twist it, stretch it, or sculpt it, these prints all share one common trait. They all have a hexagonal lid. While hexagons are, of course, the best geometric shape in existence, it's still good to have options. So this week I'm releasing two completely new form factors to the Twist Lock Trick Box. The first new option is based directly on your feedback. After posting the Twist Lock Trick Box design, a lot of people asked if it could hold collectible card decks. Magic the Gathering, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh!, that sort of thing. Well, not really. You could cram a few cards in, but the shape just isn't ideal. The square container, on the other hand, is perfect for cards. The new shape did require rethinking the lock a bit. The original design uses a rack and pinion mechanism with 3 sliding latches in a triangular configuration. This arrangement gives each latch a clear path to move without bumping into any of the others. Unfortunately, a triangular arrangement doesn't really mesh with a square lid, and adding a 4th latch would result in intersecting paths. That won't work at all. My solution was to reduce the mechanism to only 2 parallel latches that clamp onto the base on either side. Just having 2 latches ended up being more than enough to keep the lid in place. Most importantly though, the central pinion gear is the exact same model as the one in the original hexagonal box. As a result, all the toppers made for this original box are still compatible with this new design. Not that I guarantee they'll all look as good. Just like with the original hexagon box, there's a range of base sizes from extra small all the way to extra large. But if you plan to use this for trading cards, print the base labeled Base Card Deck. This base was sized specifically to hold a large deck of sleeved cards, with a little bit of extra room to spare. The project also includes this base latch model, which you can use as a starting point when modeling your own custom base designs. With just a little bit of 3D modeling, this plain square base can be tweaked into something a lot more interesting. Take for example this Doctor Who TARDIS. It's basically the square base design with a few surface elements and some embossed text. I really like how this blocky top really obscures which part you need to twist to unlock the box. If someone wasn't actually looking, they might not even know it's a container at all. The second form factor is this cylinder. Unlike the square, this design actually works perfectly fine with the triangular 3-latch arrangement of the hexagonal box. An unintended bonus with this round design is that you can push the lid on at any orientation and then just twist it until it clicks in place. The topper design was another unexpected surprise. A perfectly round topper would be nearly impossible to grip, so I cut out a few swoops and I really like how it turned out. But if you'd rather use a different topper, the cylinder design is also completely compatible with all the existing toppers. I should mention that cylinder may not have been the best name for this. This design is perfect for just about any form that has radial symmetry. Like, for example, this vase I designed. I'm having a lot of fun with these designs, and I'm really enjoying all the prints and variations people have been posting online. If you're enjoying these twist lock boxes too, you'll definitely want to check out next week's video. Until then, thanks for stopping by.